The next one to perform it's the Aerodance Kuchipudi semi-classical Indian dance from the United States of America. Welcome her.
Thank you for welcoming Aerodance. Namaste and good evening all. My name is Ranjani Avijit, Director of Aerodance Academy. We established in 1999 in California, Fremont. We specialize in Indian ethnic and semi-classical dance with roots for classical dance. And we present dance level awards at our annual show called Aeroveganza. Our select graduates receive CID UNESCO dance certificates and recommendation letters from prestigious members of the community. I'm thankful to CID UNESCO for inviting us to Athens, Greece. This is our first international showcase and we are extremely excited. We are equally humbled and grateful for this opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Alkis, and thank you, CID team. The piece that we will be presenting tonight for you is Dashavataram. Like Greek mythology, in Hindu mythology, we believe in gods. As we know, ancient Greek and Vedic Sanskrit are one of the earliest documented common rootal languages. Tonight, I start with a slokam in Sanskrit. Meghashyamam Pitakosaiva Vasam Srivatsangam Kaustubho Dvasatangam Punyopetam Pundarikayakaksham Vishnum Vande Sarvalokaikanadam. Lord Vishnu's preserving, restoring, and protecting powers have been manifested in the world in a series of 10 earthly incarnations known as avatars. Today, we present Dashavatars, namely Matsya, the fish, Kurma, the tortoise, Varaha, the boar, Narasimha, half man, half lion, Vamana, the dwarf, Parashurama, the Brahmin, Rama, the ideal son, Balarama, brother of Lord Krishna, Krishna, the flute player, and Kalki, horse rider. The participants of tonight are Aero graduate Miss Dia Chatwani, honor roll graduate student Janavi Manda, proposed Aero graduate Varsha Satish, along with Aero dance senior students Aditi Katuria, Avani Mishra, Dia Velji, and Tanya Mehta. Thank you all, and I hope you all enjoy the show. Namaste.
वराहावताराय नमः वराहावताराय नमः वराहावताराय नमः ॐ नमो नारायणाय ॐ नमो नारायणाय मगनि सनि मगनि सग मग मग पम वदनि सनि दव मदव मग मरि द मग मद वद सनि दव मदव मग मरि धनि धनि ध मद व रि धनि ध गमरि धनि रि ध धनि दव मदव गमरि धनि रि ध रि धनि ध मद व रि धनि ध गमरि धनि रि ध धनि दव मदव गमरि धनि रि ध वामनाय नमः त्रिविक्रमाय नमः वामनाय नमः त्रिविक्रमाय नमः वामनाय नमः ॐ नमो नारायणाय परशुरामावताराय नमः 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 ॐ नमो नारायणाय श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणं नवकञ्ज लोचन कञ्ज मुखकर कञ्ज पद कञ्जारुणं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन श्रीरामावताराय नमः ॐ नमो नारायणाय रि सरद दरि म प म प द द द ब म रि सरद दरि म प म प द द द ब म रि सरद बलरामाय नमः बलरामाय नमः ॐ नमो नारायणाय
ಧೀಂ ನನ ದಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ನದ್ರ ಧೀಂ ನನ ದಿಲ್ಲಾನ ತಿಲ್ಲಾನ ನದ್ರ ಧೀಂ ನದ್ರ ಧೀಂ ನದ್ರ ಧೀಂ ನದ್ರ ಧೀಂ
చిట్ట కసంగ కసంగ తాం తదిం తదోం తదై
హరిజయ విజయీ భవనంద కుమార జన పరమానంద కిశోర కళీయ నటనానంద గంభీర కరుణాల సయుత భవ శరీర
మద మధుకర మధుప ధరల సమనయన కమలదల చలనముని హృదయమపి చోర చాతుర దయాకర రాధికర చిట్ట కసంగ కసంగ తాం తదిం తదోం తదై
సొగసుదూర హొయలు క్షీర న్యాయమై మై మరచి కల చరాచర వెల్ల పులకించి తీయని హాయని పెంచు చిరురాలిని పురళి మాధురి నదు ధీరనా ధీరనా ఝం తరిత
जय जय कृष्ण जय जय कृष्ण जय जय कृष्ण जय जय कृष्ण कृष्ण